But I don't think everyone will experience those results because I've seen the same pattern occurring. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Kristen, aka Curly Kristenite, and in today's video we're going to be looking at Nature Box hair products. If you're somebody that's tried a whole lot of products available in South Africa and you're not so sure about the Nature Box line, this video is for you because I'm going to be breaking down for you exactly why I like these products and why you should go out and try them, as well as specifically which type. These products are focused on a few different core ingredients, and so it might be difficult to make a decision as to which one to go with first. I'm going to be helping you to make that decision as well. If that's something you are interested in, do stick around. When I was in the hair aisle at Dis-Chem deciding whether or not to buy these products, one thing that stood out to me was definitely the price. So I feel that this product is positioned at a price point that I'm comfortable with. It's roughly 100 rand or just over 100 rand per bottle, so I would say it's in a mid-range. It's not too expensive, but it's more comparable to the price of a typical shampoo and conditioner, because we know that as naturals we tend to pay a bit more for overseas products. I'm just going to focus on the shampoo and conditioner. So the first time I purchased these, my hair was dry, my hair was a little bit on the damaged side, and that's why I decided to go for the avocado oil. And I'm so glad that I chose the avocado oil version because it is very moisturizing to my hair. It gives me great results. The shampoo is moisturizing, it spreads throughout my hair, and my results were what you would expect based on the promises on the bottle. It says for deep hair repair and split ends control, so it definitely did that for me. Then, because of my success with the avocado oil, I decided to then go ahead and try the coconut oil one. Unfortunately, my hair didn't respond so well to the coconut oil one, and I think it was because of my own hair needs at the time. What ended up happening is I felt that it did tend to dry out my hair a bit, but I don't think everyone will experience those results because I'm realizing and I'm getting to know the fact that coconut oil products are not tending to work on my hair at this point. That is something I found out because I've seen the same pattern occurring with other coconut oil products. I went straight for the coconut oil the second time because I've always been just drawn towards coconut oil because I thought that it worked well for me. The third time I purchased these, I then went ahead and bought the avocado once again. So you can see that I really do trust the Nature Box brand because I've purchased it 3 times now, and I went back to the avocado oil and I've never been sorry for doing that. A few things I just want to point out about these products is that, number one, it's with 100% cold pressed oil. So that just refers to the way that it's made, but it means that it has the most nutrients from the ingredients. So in this case, avocado. So you know that you're getting like super pure ingredients, sulfate, silicone free. But another great thing about it is that it's 84% from natural ingredients. So not only are you wearing your hair naturally, but the products that you're using are also natural, right? So that's the second thing that I like about it. And my third thing that I like about these products is that it focuses on the ingredients. So in this case, there's avocado, there's coconut, like I've tried that one. The next one I want to try is the almond oil. So there's almond oil as well. And I like the fact that it focuses on ingredients. It does describe the results that you want to obtain with the product, but it doesn't focus on those results. So it doesn't say like for dry damaged hair. It focuses on the positive result. So for deep hair repair and split ends control. So that's what you're gonna get at the end, not like the problem. It focuses on the solution. So I don't know, that's just me. These were my shower thoughts while I'm reading the bottle. I'm like, oh wow, it focuses on the positives, not the negative. So that was a plus for me. Like, these type of things do matter to me, and I just like the overall look of the bottle, the functionality of these bottles are quite easy to use. Like, I can squeeze this bottle and get all the conditioner out, as well as this just pours out. Like, you can see how liquid it is. So it just pours out. It lathers really well, the shampoo. It spreads out throughout your hair really well because it's so liquid. And then the conditioner, it's really slippery. It's quite good. It's good at moisturizing your hair. Your hair feels conditioned after you've used this. Like when you rinse your hair off and you feel the difference, you can feel your hair soft. It does its job, really it does. These products last me about just over a month, like 6 weeks. So it's really a good investment. It's a good way to spend your money. You get good results. If I were you, I would experiment with the different types. Focus on what solution do you want to get, what end result do you want to get, and that's how you're gonna make the best decision on which of these products to get. I would definitely recommend them. And if you like this video, check out my other videos that are linked in the end screen. There are some videos on more product reviews, there are some hair tutorials, and on this channel you'll find all of those things. There's also videos on my family and motherhood and all of those nice things. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this was helpful to you. I hope you liked it. If you did, give this video a thumbs up. Comment below and let me know if you've tried these products, if you want to try them, and which one you'd go for, avocado, coconut, or almond. I will see you in my next video. Bye.
Bye.